Tech Bummy. In today's video, I'm going to show the process of how to refresh your PC. So, let's begin. First, go to your desktop. Then click your right mouse button. After this you will see, Refresh. Click it. And done. Here you can see, I am simultaneously refreshing my PC. Let me bring my icons. Now, you can see the icons are refreshing. Here are two icons, I am refreshing. So, right-click. Find Refresh and click it. Done. It's so easy. You can also refresh your desktop icon without icons. Alright guys, if you find something helpful from this video, like and subscribe. Watch my other tech videos. Tech Bummy out.